First line. Cold weather is the season when the temperature becomes very low. Second line. It usually comes during winter months like December and January. Third line. People wear warm clothes such as sweaters, jackets, and scarves. Fourth line. Cold weather makes us feel fresh and energetic. Fifth line. We like to drink hot tea, coffee, and soup in cold weather. Sixth line. Many people sit near a fire or use heaters to keep warm. Seventh line. Fog and frost are common during cold mornings. Eighth line. Cold weather is good for growing crops like wheat and mustard. Ninth line. Children enjoy playing and having holidays in winter. 10th line. Cold weather teaches us to take care of our health and stay warm.